Assalamu alaikum, pretty viewers. How is going your day? I hope everything is going really fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. Also, my every time I'm enjoying because I attempt to use that properly. This is MD Franto, who is the English learner. Every day, I must attempt to practice in English to enhance my English pronunciation. That's why at this moment I'm speaking in English in front of you. At the same time, I have come here in my wheat field because I have another reason. The water is being farmed by the water farmed on this wheat field. As you can see, my behind there is a water farm, and the water farm is active right now. That's why I'm sitting on my wheat field. At the same time, at this moment, I'm practicing in English. As you can see, this is my wheat field, and my wheat look like really great because I have used many types of fertilizer, and I use lots of. I work hard on this field to grow the wheat properly. That's why this year my wheat look like really great. Actually, I live in a countryside area. That's why I am bound to do several types of activities every day. I am a farmer, means peasant, and I am an English learner. Every day I practice in English in front of the camera, and I'm a computer learner. Every day I am to work on the laptop. Not only this type of works, but also I have another activities I would like to do that because that is my passion, and I don't want to break my passion. To be honest, practicing in English, this is my one of the greatest passion. When I practice in English in front of you, that time I feel really fantastic. Even when I when I practice in English in front any persons, that can be in front of the camera, that can be in front of the people, that can be with my friends. That time my mind, that time I feel really well because I am using my time properly when I practice in English. So this is my wheat field, and at this moment I am sitting on my wheat field. Though this is winter season, although I am switching now, as you can see, because today weather is really scorching. As a result, I am switching now. So what should I say? I don't find any new topic, but I wanna practice in English because this is my habit. So before pumped the water on this field, I had to use several types of fertilizer. As a result, this looked like pretty green and energetic. Like I had to use DAP and urea. Also, before 15 or 20 days ago, I used several types of fertilizer. As a result, this looked like pretty green. And today, I have used several types of fertilizer. This result I may see after a few days later because I have used the fertilizer today. That's why if I want to see the result, I will have to wait for few days. So this is my habit, and I cannot but practice in English. No way today. Mercy, pray for me. See you again another day, another video, another places.